Let's build an EMI calculator. This will help you to determine what is the EMI on the loan amount that you have taken. For example, I have taken 2 lakh rupees loan for a period of 12 months, that is a year, and on an interest of 9%. So for simplicity, I have built up a table here and I have months. The number of months would be 12, so I'll start from 0, 1 and go up till 11. This will be your EMI column. This would be your principal that would be left every month, and we'll also try to determine the interest part and the principal part. So in your first month, your principal would be 2 lakh rupees. Your EMI will use the PMT formula and we'll get a rate that is 9% divided by 12. I'll try to make it as a constant. 4. My period is 12 months. My principal amount or the present value is 2 lakh. Future value I want it as 0, and I would be paying at the end of the month. Okay. So this is the EMI amount, that is 70,490.30. Let me generalize this. We have B4, then we have B6, which is again a standard component. So I'll do a constant and I will minus that with the period, that is column D 0. So for the first month it will be 12 months, for the second it will be 11, and so on. Okay, and I think that's it. The interest part would be the principal into the interest divided by 12. So let me do a FO here so that I can generalize it, and your principal would be 17 plus this, right? So in total you would have 17,490. Ignore the negative signs here, that you can use a negative sign, you can multiply by a negative sign and make it positive. So just for this calculation, let's ignore all those negatives, and you can do that later on. So now what would be your second month principal? It would be your 2 lakh minus, let's do a plus, and whatever the principal that you have already paid. Okay. Now I think your formula should work pretty well. Yeah, here you have, and your interest should also work pretty well. Just copy over the entire line for all the months. Yeah, and that's it. I think if you look at it, this is 14,490 which is paid on the last month, and you would have your future value which is now left out to be 0. Okay. So make use of this PMT formula before you take any loans. Thank you and keep watching.